Hi, folks. Bob Holzacker here. My associate Spencer Rowe. Welcome to our weekly podcast of Car Chat. We're with Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough, just south of Portland, Maine. We're trying to feature a really nice special car, not necessarily a Mercedes-Benz. Most of them have been because a lot of their cars are special, but we picked one for this week that I think you'll really like. It's a 22 S80 4MATIC, a beautiful car. When we go through it, you'll notice it's not your father's S-Class. Spencer?
Oh, it's definitely design styling is there. Lots of sporty looking features. I think, Bob, this is our sixth episode
I think it
of
is.
Car Chat
Yeah.
here. So this is an exciting one. We've got a beautiful car that we'll take a look at in just a moment. I think worth pointing out, this is the redesigned S-Class. So
That's
everything
right.
we know of the past, all the previous models, completely changed.
Yeah, it's wonderful. This is
It's
top of the
exciting.
line. This is really well known as the car in the luxury area.
It's the flagship Mercedes.
Yeah.
It's
If people may not know, in Germany, businessmen will take a driver and three people on the Autobahn instead of the helicopter or jet between major cities. If you can go 150 miles an hour and still get your work done, have a conference, be on your phone, that's the way to go. And this is the car for it. I know we can't quite do that here in the U.S., but it certainly coddles your family or your guests in an envelope of luxury and safety.
And this being the 580 version, that 150 miles an hour, this is a 4-liter V8 bi-turbocharged. It's a fast car, but above all else, it's smooth and
Let's
comfortable.
come over and take a look at the
let's take a
car.
look.
Maybe we'll start in the front.
Beautiful vehicle here. So this is the 2022 S580, and we have a beautiful white exterior. And this is a diamond white. It's hard to tell in the showroom,
Yeah.
but in the sunlight, Bob, we know this is a gorgeous color.
Spencer, tell everybody what's behind that panel there.
So
Why
this
is that
is
important?
fun. You'll see this on a bunch of different Mercedes-Benz models, even the models with that three-pointed star in the center. That is your radar guidance systems for your adaptive cruise control. Standard in this model, it's called Distronic. An optional extra in other Mercedes-Benz models as a part of the driver's assistance package. All your adaptive cruise control settings found right in there.
And as part of that, it's called the brake assist
And
system.
a
That's
brake
going to
assist
look
as
far
well, yep.
ahead, radar-based, at night through the fog, detect a deer. Moose are prevalent here in Maine. You don't want to hit a moose. That's going to warn you and then go on to apply the brakes to full stop if needed.
Now, the wheels tie into another package, which if you look at the front bumper as well, that's the AMG package.
This is why I said
Yeah.
it's not your father's
It is
S-Class.
not. They're
Yeah.
like the C-Class we featured last week. There are 3 different trim levels you can get in this vehicle, AMG being one of them. And it gives you a night package, so you get black trim on the mirror housings, the bumpers, and the wheels. And it really, like you said, Bob, sets this car apart.
Let's take a
from
look at the back
your
here.
traditional, S-Class.
Again, you have the
Beautiful
blacked-out
design.
diffuser with the
Yep.
package.
LED taillights, they spare no detail there. Each individual LED has its own little housing. They've always, gone above and beyond your necessity in terms of design. I think it's got
Really
a
is
really,
a
really
wonderful
cool
look. And this is going to be the new look for a few years to
yeah.
come. We don't redesign the cars too often, and it still retains the classic Mercedes-Benz look. We don't go crazy with the front every few years as other manufacturers do. You can always tell a Mercedes from the 40s, 50s, 60s,
Of course.
and so on.
Now, a neat feature new to this new S-Class is our door handles there, flush with the door until there's a touch sensor on the front that's activated. Pull the handle, it easily releases, starting with the back. Bob, I think the most important
Wow.
component of this car, look at the lights, the space inside the vehicle. I mean, there isn't a car here with more legroom until you start going into the Maybach.
Yeah, and blue is my favorite for this car, but you have a choice of 64 different colors. If you want to celebrate Valentine's Day with red, you can do that, and St. Patrick's Day with green, and so on. But this is a nice color at night. It really stands out. It's so much nicer riding in a car at night with the ambient light than in complete darkness. It really is.
Oh, it definitely is a nice effect. And then moving forward here, driver and passenger seat, more of that ambient lighting. The completely redesigned interior really shows itself for the driver and passenger. That
It's
new
the
display.
Nappa leather interior.
Nappa
You have
leather.
massage seats. It's a touch screen. The new MBUX system is even more enhanced for this year. You can give it addresses. You can tell it what temperature to make the car, change the ambient lighting, et cetera, all by voice command.
And the diamond stitching. You can't go wrong with a diamond stitched interior, part of that Nappa leather, and it looks fabulous.
No, this is a great car. So, Spencer, in an effort to keep this brief, we want to end our video. Give us a call here at Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough.
Of course, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed.
Thank you.